Does much shock you nowadays? I got a bit of a surprise the other day when I heard about a device that apparently will start any bike of any size, and it's no bigger than a mobile phone. Now I can feel a little bit of testing coming on, so why don't you join me down my local bike shop where we'll put this thing through its paces, because I'm not at all sure whether this thing's got the guts to do what it says it can. So we've come down to our local bike shop where they've got loads of bikes with flat batteries, and we're going to test it out on a few. Let's try with the little 125 first of all. As you can see, totally dead, nothing's going on. So let's have a go with this bad boy to see if it does what it says on the tin. Success, work, straight up, no problems. Let's go on to something a bit bigger. So as we saw, the 125 was an absolute breeze, started it no problem, but what about when we get onto some of the bigger boys? 900 Fireblade, let's see what it does with that. As you can see though, to start with, absolutely nothing, completely dead. So let's see what happens when we connect this bad boy up. Let's give it a go. Absolute breeze, started it up straight away. 900, there we go. Spot on. So as we've just seen, 125 and 900 both started beautifully with this bit of kit. Now we're on to the big boys, 1300. Let's see what it does with this. Flat battery as well. Connect it up. $1,300, back of the net. But how long will it keep something turning over that doesn't want to start? So here we have the big boy, the Honda CBX 1000. We know this won't start, we tried to get it started earlier. As you can see, absolutely dead. But let's see how long this can keep it turning over for. As far as I'm concerned, that's pretty impressive. Don't disappear just yet, because in a minute I'm going to be telling you how you can get your hands on this bit of kit in our free to enter giveaway. But before we do that, let's have a quick look in the box and see what you get with the Lextek Jumpstart Kit. If we open the handy little carry case up and take a look what's inside, the first thing you're going to come across is the instructions and warranty information. Putting that to one side for a minute, what we really want to look at is the kit we get with it. So we've got the unit itself, which packs a massive 6000 mAh charge. It has a little cover that when removed exposes the jump start cable port. The little button on the side when pressed once tells you how much charge is left in the unit. The same button also operates a handy little light on top. In the other side of the pouch you have a number of cables. It has two different charging styles of cables, one for Apple products and one for Android products, or micro USB. The black USB wires charging the unit itself, and of course we've got the crocodile clipped jump start wires themselves, which plugs into the little port we showed earlier. Okay guys, entrance into the competition couldn't be easier. All you need to do is like and subscribe to the Road Rash TV YouTube channel, then head over to the My Moto Facebook page, like and share there. Now guys, I've got a discount code for anybody that's interested in buying this product. It's this one here. Yep, we're giving 10% off in association with My Moto. I've left a link in the comment below to the My Moto website where you can use this code. I've also left links to eBay and Amazon if you want to buy it the old-fashioned way. But don't forget, it's only the My Moto website where you can use the code. If you've had any value out of this review, please subscribe, because without you guys, we can't make this stuff. And if you like tech reviews, I've got some more coming up for you in a moment. Just follow one of the thumbnails after this video.